Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem. Just talk myself through the thought process of attempting to solve it, and hopefully it's useful to anyone else going through these problems as well. So the problem I'm going to be attempting is 1920 build array from permutation. So, just going to read out the description. Given a zero-based permutation nums, zero indexed, build an array called ans of the same length where the index in answers is equal to the index of the value at, so for instance, if we go to nums and we go to 0, what's at position 0? 0. So 0 goes here. We go to 2. What's at position 2? 0, 1, 2. 1 is here, so 1 goes here. And so forth. Constraints. The length is between 1 and 1,000. And each number in the array is between 0 and, well, the length of numbers. And the numbers are distinct, so there's not going to be two numbers that are the same. So, just going to switch over to my notes for this one. So this was the previous one I was doing, just going to make a new note. So this is LeetCode 920, and it is build array from permutation. I'm just going to leave this blank for now. So ideas. I think this one's very basic. I think we're just going to do we're going to loop through every element, find element at nums. Just going to escape this. So, find that element. But sorry. Loop through every element with I being the current index. So find the element, then we're gonna append element to answers, and then we're gonna return answers. Okay, so we're just gonna take this and put it into here. So for I in range nums, we're gonna do, yeah, for I in range nums, or length of nums, sorry, we're going to append to answers, or ans. So ans is equal to just an empty array for now. But we're going to do dot append, and we're going to append nums I. And then we're going to return the answer. And both test cases pass. I'm going to submit. And accepted. So that was a fairly basic one. That went quite quick. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. If you watched the whole thing, I hope this was useful to you in some way. I love discussing these problems as well, so if you had any other solution to this, please leave a comment down below. I love discussing these things. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.